Last year here at American Airboats, we had a devastating flood that put over 3 foot of water inside of my shop. A lot of my big components, like the press and shear here that's around me, all the main electrical components are down low. Luckily, my friends at QMaxx brought me in a trunk load of QMaxx. I sprayed all the electrical components that saved this equipment. I was told that the electrical components of this shear here behind me would not be able to be saved, and that we'd have to spend tens of thousands of dollars getting it back up online. However, I was able to spray everything out with QMaxx. I let it soak for 3 or 4 days and dry out, and now this shear is back up and running. All I had to do was change a few fuses. But this machine sat underwater for 5 days in salt water, yet a year later is still running perfect.